Okay, so let us look at this question, which says in a morning walk, two persons start walking together. Their each step measures 10 unit and 15 unit respectively. What is the minimum distance they should walk so that they cover the same distance? Now, so if we try and visualize this problem, let's say there is the first person, there's A, and the second person B. Now we know that A steps measures 10 units and B's steps measures 15 units. Now let's say they start moving from this point and this is the path they will move along, and for B this is the path. So when they start from here, which is point 0, when A will take his first step, he will walk 10 units. So let's say this is 10 here. So this is the first step. On second step, he will reach at 20 units. At third step, 30, and so on, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, so this is the second step, third step, and so on. Let's see what happens with B. In the first step, B will move 15 units. So this is 15. So this is B's first step. Then it will move to 30 units. And then it will move to 45 units. And then to 60 units. And so on. That means it doesn't end here, but let's say. So the question says, what is the minimum distance they should walk so that they cover the same distance? Now, when it says same distance, that means since they are starting from the same point, that is crucial. Since they are starting from the same point, what is the point where they will meet for the first time? That means they would have covered the same distance. And that is at 30 units. So at 30 units, we can see that they are meeting, and that was after second step of B. This was B's second step and third step for A. So we can say that the answer to this question is 30 units. After 30 units, they are meeting for the first time. Now, if they keep on moving forward, they are meeting for the second time at 60 units. But that is not what has been asked. What is asked is what is the minimum distance. Now, what does this all simplify? Or what does all of this explain? Basically, what we found was when you wrote for A, the distance it covered was 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on, these were multiples of 10. For B, it was 15, 30, 45, 60, and so on, which were multiples of 15. So what exactly we were finding was a common multiple. So for example, in this case, the first common multiple was 30, and you will actually get 40, 50, and 60. Second common multiple was 60. Right, but in the question we were asked minimum, so we found common multiple, but we had to find the minimum distance. That means we had to find the least common multiple. So all of this actually comes out to be LCM. So 30 is nothing but the LCM of 10 and 15, which is 30. So this example actually helps you understand or visualize what LCM is actually.